Alright, here we have 3 vintage GE air conditioners.
The top of this one is breaking. This one's fully intact.
The fan grill on this one is completely gone. Yeah. It's got a big Climatef recip in there. This one looks like the data sheet's gone. You can see the fan grill is pretty broken on this one.
Yeah, that's got an old Climatef, it looks like. This one's a 4-ton. The other one was a 5-ton.
Yeah, that's a 4-ton. And hold the code of the year. I don't think that's been running. This one has the entire fan grill still left, just about. That's a 5-ton.
Very nice.
Here's an older Heil right here. It sounds pretty nice. Looks like it's a 4-ton from, I think, 2005. Well, that's nice and cold. Here's a couple of Trinix R11s, and then there's a really old Linux right there. Of course, he's got the Climatef recips. That is from 2004, it's a 3-ton. Line is not all that cold on that, actually, but this one, that's a different story. It's working great. And then here's this old thing. Nope. That XR just turned off right there.
2004, 3-ton. This is very small for a 3-ton, I must say. It wasn't working that great. This one.
There's the coil. And here's the data. I'm not sure about the year.
Interesting package.
I don't think that's been running, sadly, so. There's another one of these old Linux units. Yeah, these are from 1975. Here's the data. This one has not been running either.
I think this GE is from 1974, so a year older.
1974.
It's got a slightly different logo. Maybe it's just repainted.
This is a 3.5-ton.